Hello everyone, it's Tufik from TechSecurityUSA, located in Seattle, Washington. Welcome back to another unboxing video where today we'll be unboxing the Cammhd HD body-worn camera. The model number on this camera is the Cammhd V8 64GB body camera. And this contains the following features, which is set on top. It does HD video, HD picture, HD audio, night vision, and auto zoom. And as you take a look at the box over here, you can see the nice Cammhd logo. Very simple but very nice and soft box. Feels really good on my hands when I grab the packaging. We go here and we open up the box. We get the following contents. We get the body camera. We're first greeted with the body camera. Straight to the point, very easy, very simple. Pull up the rest of the other contents of the box. You get your power adapter, power brick, included battery, battery charger, camera clip, clip this on your shirt. Another camera clip, and the instructions and quick start guide of the camera itself. Now, if we take a look at the camera over here, we can analyze from the operation manual. We get the following contents on the camera itself. We have the work indicator, photosensitive lamp, microphone, which is located over here, the warning lights in case for any danger lurking along the way, the infrared light used for specifically night vision, charging indicator, and the laser light. These kind of cameras are mostly used for active duty and for police officers who need evidence on any kind of situation they get themselves in. And here's a nice little dashboard over here, kind of giving you a little configuration menu to be able to configure the camera itself. If you have any additional questions in regards to features or pricing of this body camera, feel free to give us a call at 206-787-0224 or visit us at our website at www.techsecurityusa.com. I'm Tufik, and I'm signing off.